Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Notepad++ installed and a config backup ready. Now act. Launch Notepad++ and open Settings. If your build supports a global dark mode, find it under Preferences and enable it. This flips UI Chrome and menus. Once done, open Style Configurator to change language syntax themes so code contrast matches the UI. If you prefer a plugin, open Plugins Admin, install a trusted dark mode plugin. Then restart Notepad++ to apply the plugin managed theme. Once the basic dark mode is active, dive into Style Configurator to select a dark scheme for the languages you use. Pick a preset such as Obsidian or Deep Black, then adjust global styles. Background, foreground, caret, selection, and line highlight so contrast meets your eyes. Make sure to test with real code files to verify readability. After tweaking, save the theme and export the XML so you can re-import or share it. This prevents rework after updates. Finish by restarting Notepad++ and scanning all panels, file tabs, console, and plugin windows to confirm the dark theme applied consistently. If any element remains light, go to Preferences and toggle Use System Theme or disable conflicting plugins. Some plugins override colors. If the theme corrupts syntax colors, re-import your exported theme XML or restore the saved config. XML backup. One troubleshooting tip: disable recently added plugins and restart to isolate conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.